The studio stocks a small selection of stoneware clay you can buy. Alongside new clay, there's also reclaimed clay available for half the price, which is also used for workshops and classes. Reclaimed clay is recycled from various discarded stoneware bodies, which means each small batch is different. The texture, colour and feel can vary, so it may not be ideal if you have a fixed vision of how your final piece should look. When something is described as valuable, it's often seen as important, worthy or useful. But I sometimes wonder, what process do we go through before we decide something holds value? Do we take the time to examine it ourselves, or do we see its worth only because others already have? If the latter is more common, I wonder how many things we might have missed along the way, things that could have held deep value for us. If I made a ceramics cup and you agreed that it's beautifully made, would your perception change if I told you it was crafted from cheap, unwanted clay? And if I made an identical cup using new premium clay, would you choose that one over the first? To me, value is subjective. Whether it's an object, a piece of art, a life event, or a person, what we see as valuable is shaped by our experiences and the world around us. And often later in life, we find that what we value most can be different from what we once deemed worthy. It's as if these bags of reclaimed clay are quietly waiting for a potter to come along and turn them into works of art. But even if that potter never comes, their worth remains. They've witnessed the growth of countless potters taking their first ceramics class, humbly serving again and again, never resisting, until confidence and skill begins to show. They were the silent companions in every beginner's journey, a vital part of a potter's story.